Can watermelon really replace Viagra? An intriguing question, isn't it? Well, let's dive right into it. Watermelon, that refreshing, juicy delight, is packed with an amino acid known as citrulline, a substance that promotes blood vessel relaxation and dilation. This is essentially the same purpose served by Viagra and other erectile dysfunction drugs, leading many to ponder if watermelon could indeed be a natural alternative to Viagra. According to a study conducted by the National Library of Medicine, about 24 men reported improvements in their erectile dysfunction symptoms after consuming citrulline supplements for over a month. Erectile dysfunction, a common condition, particularly among older men, is typically treated with sildenafil, otherwise known as Viagra, which boosts blood flow to the penis. However, with watermelon offering similar stimulation, it could potentially be an effective replacement. But the benefits of watermelon extend far beyond its potential as a natural Viagra. This delicious fruit is also incredibly beneficial for general health. It's low in calories, rich in vitamins C and A, and made up of 92% water, making it a hydrating, nutritious choice. Let's delve into the benefits of watermelon for men's health. First, its high water content and fiber make it an excellent choice for hydration without excessive calories. Second, its richness in vitamin C and lycopene, both anti-inflammatory substances, can help reduce inflammation. Third, citrulline in watermelon can alleviate muscle soreness, making watermelon juice a perfect post-workout drink. Watermelon also plays a vital role in skin and hair health. The vitamins A and C it contains are crucial for creating and repairing skin cells and promoting voluminous hair. Additionally, watermelon aids digestion thanks to its high water and fiber content, and its lycopene and antioxidants may prevent age-related macular degeneration, a common eye problem in aging men. Finally, watermelon is good for the heart. Its nutrients and minerals, particularly lycopene and citrulline, help lower blood pressure and cholesterol and reduce arterial wall thickness. So, does watermelon really work as a natural Viagra for men? While research is ongoing and concrete proof is yet to be established, there's enough evidence to suggest that watermelon could indeed be a viable replacement. For its potential sexual benefits and its broader health advantages, watermelon is truly a wonder fruit. So next time you're craving a refreshing snack, reach for a slice of watermelon. You might just be doing more for your health than you realize.